this is actually looking as if CBEX or something similar to that is currently out there again. And for the purpose of this particular video, the reason I'm making this particular video is that so that you will not fall victim. It is not after you got scam you will not start coming and start crying in the comment section and something has currently happened or so make sure you get the information in this particular video, right? So welcome back to my channel. And we all know what happened in the life of Ponzi scheme, first come first serve. So this particular platform right here, it is called 133 exchange, so something like 133ex, and it is currently like coming up a little by little now. You might not have heard about it, but the reason why I'm actually prompting this particular video to you is that this is actually trending right now. And I'm going to go into the interface and let's see what they have in similar and what they have in common to the latest CBEX that just got gone, latest CBEX, latest what other coin project you have done so far, and let's see what they have in similar, because this particular project, this particular platform, they have a lot of things in common, right? So before we move further, do well to go straight to the comment section and drop your opinion. What do you think about this particular stuff? Is it because things are very hard in the country, things are very hard right now, that is why we are still falling victim of this? Because clearly we know this is actually going to crash, then we still want to like jump into. So what do you think is actually bringing a lot of people into this particular stuff right here? So let's know at the comment section. So let's go into the interface. So right here, if you register, you're going to see, if you click on this particular side that says this delivery, so this delivery is actually looking like the CBEX kind of settings, where you actually change this, the earlier settings where you change this to is either USDT and whatever, and you actually put buy and sell, long calls, buy call, thereabouts, and where you actually see invite me, you can see we have something right here which is invite me. People that actually did CBEX will actually understand this particular invite me, and we have the trade copy, whatever. So that is just how it is in this particular platform. The interface is quite of almost the same thing, and we click on this side which is the funding. You are going to see this is where you can currently log in. You are going to log in, and thereabouts you get access to the platform and thereabouts. So I want you to go straight to the comment section and drop a comment about your thoughts about what you think about this particular platform. Are you currently doing it? Have you cashed out from this? Because personally, to me, I'm not doing this and I will not do so. I'm just being clear and being open for everybody right here. So this is how the platform actually look, and this is one thing you need to put into consideration. Remember, investment is always avoid risk. Like, how will I even say it? Invest is always risky. So if you know you're going to be investing in this particular platform, please, the amount you can afford to play with, it is what you should invest in. Do not cry later, and do not come to this whatever and be writing something at the comment section. I will not be there to help at this particular moment. All right, so I want to see what you are going to be saying in the comment section, and I'll see you on my next video.